How to share a Spotify song with sound into Instagram stories. So if you want to share a Spotify song with sound into your Instagram stories, then if you open up your Spotify and if you share or if you try to share a song with sound, then you will not have the sound. That's because Spotify doesn't allow you to add a sound with the song. So the another alternative that you can use is you just need to simply go with a song that you would like to add. So for example, I'll be choosing a song and I'm choosing this song. So you just need to simply go with share, which is on the bottom right, and go with the Instagram stories, tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will automatically take you to the Instagram stories and you'll have this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with the music option, which is on the upper right. But if you're not being able to add music like this, then you just need to simply discard it and you need to simply copy the link. Once you've copied the link, now you just need to simply go back and open up your Instagram. Go with your story, which is on the upper left, and go with camera and tap on the bottom middle, or you can simply go with a background, any background that you're comfortable with. I'll be choosing a black screen, and I'll go with the music option, which is on the upper right, and then select the music. And once you've used the music, now you just need to simply go with done, which is on the upper right, or you can simply choose the option which is like this and then go with done, which is on the upper right. And now you need to go with stickers, and under stickers, now here you will have an option of add link. Tap on link and you need to paste the link that you've copied from Spotify and then tap on done, and here you will have your link. Great. So you just need to simply adjust the rearrangement of the link, and that's it. That's how you can share a Spotify song with sound into your Instagram stories. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.